Good afternoon and welcome to Luscombe's MG in Leeds. Today I'm going to be showing you this lovely Tesla Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive. So this vehicle comes with the black interior. So I'm just going to be showing you around the car so that you can see the overall condition, which is in fact very nice. So Teslas come with a 4-year warranty or 50,000 miles. So this is a 70 plate, so 2020. So the boot space, if you can see, it's just the mats in the boot, so you do get a lot of space in the boot. So this car will do just under 350 miles range. So what we always like to do with all of our used cars is do a full technician's appraisal video for you as well. So this can be uploaded onto our website where you'll see that. And this just gives you the chance to see the battery health check, any work that we'll be carrying out, the tyres and the brakes. And we do put 12 months MOT on all of our used cars as well. So obviously you've got the big screen in the middle where you'll see all of your settings and specification. It's not been a smoker's car, and overall the leather interior is in really nice condition. So if you would like to arrange a test drive or even just come down and see what range of Teslas we do have for sale, feel free to give me a call. My name's Lucy and I work at Luscombe's MG, or send us an email at sales@luscombemotors.co.uk. Thank you for watching.